tender stem hath sprung of Jesse's lineage, coming as men of old have sung. It came a flower bright amid the cold of winter, when half gone was the...
Ever wondered about the deeper meaning behind the song, "Lo, how a rose ere blooming"? This timeless carol, steeped in history, originates from Germany and has been cherished for centuries. It's not just the melody that's captivating, but the enigmatic rose that the lyrics mention, an intriguing symbol that has biblical implications, hinting at a prophecy told long ago. This song is more than just a beautiful carol, it's a profound tale of fulfillment of a prophecy. The key to understanding this song lies in its lyrics and their biblical references. The rose, a metaphor throughout the carol, represents Mary, the mother of Jesus. Its blooming signifies the birth of Christ, a pivotal moment in Christian belief. This imagery is steeped in the prophecy of Isaiah, which foretells the coming of a Saviour, a descendant of Jesse. The lyrics, "Lo, how a rose ere blooming from tender stem hath sprung, of Jesse's lineage coming as men of old have sung," reflect this prophecy, connecting the birth of Jesus to the lineage of Jesse. Thus, the song is a serene and profound reflection on the fulfillment of biblical prophecy. The rose in the song, then, is not just a flower, but a symbol of hope, purity, and divine love. So, what does "Lo, how a rose ere blooming" ultimately convey to its listeners? Well, this enchanting carol, brimming with symbolism, carries a message of great significance. The blooming rose, a metaphor for Mary, symbolizes the fulfillment of biblical prophecy, the birth of Jesus. The tender stem from which it springs signifies the lineage of Jesse, as foretold by Isaiah. This is not merely a song of the holiday season, but a timeless reminder of hope and purity, of promises fulfilled even in the coldest of winters. This is the essence of "Lo, how a rose ere blooming," in the grandeur of its simplicity. "Lo, how a rose ere blooming" reminds us of the profound beauty of hope and purity, blooming even amid the cold of winter.
With sweetness fills the air, dispels with glorious splendor the darkness everywhere. True man, yet very God. From sin and death He saves us and lightens every